Hello everyone, it's Pam again from Tiger in the Kitchen. Today let's make one of the all-time favorite Thai menus, Thai green curry chicken. We're gonna start with the ingredients. Here are what we need. Let's go through it. The first one, green curry paste, the main ingredient of this recipe. All the flavors are mainly from here. I'm using the store-bought. Each brand can taste slightly different, can be a little spicier, sweeter, saltier, so pick any brand you like. Chicken, I'm using thighs, my favorite part. You can use chicken breast if you want, but honestly, I would recommend thighs for this menu. Coconut milk. We're gonna separate into two parts later, so stay with me. Water. Thai eggplants. I'm so happy I can find these here in Cape Town. They are commonly used in most Asian cuisines, not only in Thailand, and they're traditionally used for most Thai curries. If you can't find these, I already put the alternative vegetables in description that would go great with the green curry. Alright, next. Thai basils. A little different from sweet basils, these are for the aroma. Same with Kaffir lime leaves, we're gonna need some of these to get the complete aromatic green curry of ours. Then red chilies, or you can use red peppers, doesn't matter much because we don't depend on its spice. The spice is from the green curry paste already, and as you see, everything is all green, too green. We want some red to color it up. I have tiny leftover bell pepper, may as well use it. For seasonings, we need palm sugar. I'm not using this whole thing, but it sticks to each other. I'm gonna slice them later. And some fish sauce. One thing you might want to know about Thai eggplants, once you cut them, they'll turn dark color quite quickly and easily. So after you clean them, prepare a bucket of water and set aside. Now we're gonna remove the bulbs. And once you cut, put them in the water. Cut into bite size for small ones. I'm just gonna cut in half. And for bigger ones, I'll go for quarters. Slice the chilies. If you're using cayenne chilies, you can either leave or remove the seeds. If you don't want to add any spice at all, use the teaspoon to remove the seeds. And don't forget to wash your hands with soap right away after you finish touching them. Palm sugar. Today I'm using the hard ones. We need 1 tablespoon of this. And to help it dissolve easily, slice thinly. Now we're cutting the chicken. We don't want to cut them too small since they will shrink in the pot, just a little bigger than the bite size. So when they shrink, we'll get the right size. Okay, let's move to the stove. So right now we're having 400 ml of full fat coconut milk and 200 ml of water. For the start, we're going to pour the first half of coconut milk. Then mix the water with the other half to get the lighter coconut milk, and we're going to add this a little later. Then we want to thicken it by keep stirring in medium heat. As you thicken it, normally with fresh coconut milk, the oil will eventually be separated, which is what we want here. But if you're using canned or processed coconut milk like I do, it might not or more difficult to separate the oil because they include emulsifiers, which actually causes the fatty and watery layers to stop separating from one another. Anyway, not trying to be the food nerd here, let's just say if your coconut milk doesn't separate, that's totally okay. Just keep stirring until it gets thicker. Okay, looks ready now, and I get a tiny bit of oil separated. Then we add 3 tablespoons green curry paste. If you want less spicy, add a little less. Combine it with coconut milk until you can smell the nice aroma. Once well combined, put 300 grams of chicken. Keep stirring until about halfway cooked. Then add the rest of coconut milk. Stir to combine the paste and the coconut milk. And leave it boils for a little bit until the chicken is cooked. Season with 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon palm sugar, 1 handful of Thai basils, 5 or 6 Kaffir lime leaves, bruise and hand whip them to release their fragrance. Rinse the eggplants and put them. I just rinsed for just a few minutes and some parts get a little dark color already. Turn off the heat and top with sliced red chilies. Now it looks more colorful. For this meal, it's good to have with hot steamed rice and maybe an omelette. Or with rice noodles with boiled egg is also very good. That's my favorite actually. Thank you very much for watching, and you can see more Thai recipes right here or check out on my channel. Have a lovely day and see you again next recipes. สวัสดีค่ะ